Hi, I'm Garrett, and this video is for you, the woman who's like trying to figure out what is the best Christmas gift you can get for your guy this year that's gonna like take it over the top. So I want to talk from a hobbyist guy who likes to tinker perspective and likes to play with wood, you know, just build stuff, whatever. Wants to get into new stuff all the time. So I want to suggest to you to consider a CNC router. Now, a CNC router is a router cuts shapes into woods, like around your kitchen cabinets, that detail around it, the curvy shape. That's done by a router. But a router does so much more. A router cuts, cuts things like this. But that's done on a CNC router. I will talk about this kind of stuff in just a minute. What I really want to get to is, why am I encouraging you to buy a CNC router? And I'm specifically going to recommend this one here. By the way, I am not sponsored by this company. It's called BobsCNC. I wish I was, because I really have a lot of fun with this machine. However, I'm shooting this video because, number one, I want you to get your guy a gift that's going to like take it over the top. Number two, it's going to be something he's going to be playing with for a long time. Number three, it's something that's going to give stuff back to you. I'll explain all this in a minute. And number four, it can potentially return an income for you and for him. And let both of your creative juices, just get really flowing. So let's kind of dive in. First of all, a CNC router is a computer-controlled router that you program. You take designs from lots of different places, either from bitmap images, from pictures, or you can just draw them up and then cut them out and carve them out and do things like this little Christmas ornament that I made. I'm obviously a Jeep guy. The thing about a CNC router is it exercises so much creativity. And there's just so much stuff you can do. The ideas are like endless. And it really just starts with a device that it comes from the soul, right? The spirit, and just so expressive in what you can do, and so much passion. So I'm kind of repeating myself, so I'm going to stop doing that. I want to talk about why a CNC router. Well, I already kind of said that, but why this one? BobsCNC router. So this is a machine, right? And it's computer controlled after your designs, like I said. But this thing is like really niche-y, unique. It's made of wood. It's a kit. And it takes like 8 hours plus to put together. And then there's a learning curve to learn how to use it and then to start creating stuff out of it. What's different about this is the build process kind of gave me this bonding to it, right? It's this kit I put together. I kind of loved on it, and it's my baby, and now I'm making stuff out of it. And so that's the first part of it. And then you start creating these kinds of things, like this. It's kind of a big version of this guy right here. It is a big version of it. But, things like that, you make it, and then you push it out on eBay or Etsy, your own creation. But here's something like really cool. I took a junk picture from Salvation Army. It cost $5, stripped it down, painted it up, and designed in this glass etching. Let me look at that. Look at the detail you can do on a machine like this. That's with a diamond engraver. And that's just some of the stuff that I've made. At the end of this video, I will put in some projects so you can see what it's doing. But so here's the thing. The first thing is, you want to give him something that is like just going to hit him in the heart, right? If he is somebody who really loves to create, this is like endless creation. So he'll play with it. This is a gift that'll work for years, and the creation is endless. Number two, it's a gift that keeps on giving in a good way. So you're at home and you're walking around, your juices are flowing because you got this kind of machine, and you say, I think I'd like a cutting board the shape of Texas. And he's going to go, ooh, I can do that. And so he goes and does it out of his passion of his heart because he wants to please his honey. And so he creates this cutting board, the shape of Texas, or whatever state you're from, or whatever shape you want. And he makes it for you. And he's like, here, honey, check it out. You know, I mean, he put in all this love and effort into his own creation to make it happen and you know, love you. And then the next is the potential return. So this sign I made for a local store. And revenue. And there is a whole industry out there of things to make on a CNC router that's going to give you returns on investment if you so choose to pursue that avenue and sell on eBay, Etsy, market on Facebook, you know, all that kind of stuff. I mean, this can become a livelihood if you're persistent at it. But I just want to step back to this machine here because, like I said before, putting this thing together was so much fun. And the creative juices that are coming out of me to create stuff is like endless. I mean, yes, this thing is going to cost you a couple of passionate nights because he's going to be so into it. However, the long-term return is going to be amazing for you, for the couple, because it can be a source of bonding for you too, as you both like come up with these ideas and either build a business out of it or just make stuff for friends, for you, for your kids, for whatever, and potentially get a return on it. So I am going to put a link down to their website down below, BobsCNC. And the other thing, reason I recommend this company is it's two guys that went out on their own, designed up this a machine made of wood of all things that does amazing crap. And I can't call it crap because it's so much fun. And their customer service is like over the top. I've never seen a company of a couple of guys, and I think their daughters are involved in it, that are so responsive to the customer base. And there's a lot of videos out there of all kinds of projects you can make on a CNC router, so go check them out. Go check out BobsCNC. Their deliveries are always overnight. They've been known to call people back like that day in the evening when they're off time to answer a question for you. They did it with me, and I've got a couple other responses on other videos that I did on my channel that it's a pattern, right? So it just shows that their customer services, they are homegrown guys that really just took an idea, took off with it, and want to help other people with their creative hobby juices get flowing and made this amazing, cool, fun machine. This is called an Evolution 4 E4. And so that is the Christmas gift to get your guy if he likes to tinker with stuff. So I hope this video gave you an idea of what to get. And yeah, again, if you have any questions about that, just put them in the comments, of course, and I will answer them within the day whenever I have the chance, which is most of the time. So happy Christmas shopping. Merry Christmas to you. Enjoy the family holidays. Love on your family. I got to say, I miss my wife. You know, she passed away, and so I don't have that person like you to do that stuff for. Anyway, that's my heartbreak story. But you know, life goes on, and I've learned to make the best of it and find the gift out of it, like help you come up with decisions. Anyway, this is Garrett. Watch from here on out, because there are going to be a few videos really quick that's going to show you what this thing can do. All right, I'll talk to you later.